Hello students, we are doing chapter number 14 mensuration of exercise 14.1. In last video we did till question number 8 and now we are starting from question number 9. The perimeter of a regular pentagon is 100 centimeter. How long is its each side? So here regular word is mentioned. It means all the sides are equal. Pentagon means it will be having 5 sides and regular means all 5 sides are equal. So if you will take each side is A, then perimeter is given here 100 centimeter, and according to this figure perimeter will be A plus A plus A plus A plus A means 5A, and this will be equal to 100 centimeter. So A is equal to 100 by 5. This 5 is here in multiplication. Shift another side, it will go for division and cancel out 20 you will get. So each side is equal to 20 centimeter. Next question number 10. A piece of string is 30 centimeter long. What will be the length of each side if the string is used to form a square? First part, square. Square means all the four sides are equal. So string we have to bend in this shape. So this string length 30 centimeter will become the perimeter for this square. So perimeter is here 30 centimeter, and according to this figure perimeter will be A plus A plus A and plus A means 4A. 4A is equal to 30 centimeter. So A will be 30 divided by 4 and you can cancel 2 2s are 2 15s or 7.5 centimeter. So each side of this square will be 7.5 centimeter. Second part, if the string we will bend in the form of a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all the three sides will be equal length, and this string will change into the perimeter of triangle. So perimeter is equal to 30 centimeter, and according to this figure perimeter is equal to 3A equal to 30 centimeter. So A is equal to 30 by 3, we will get 10 centimeter. So each side of this triangle is 10 centimeter. Next, third part of this question, if the string is bent in the form of regular hexagon. So regular means each side will be equal and hexagon means six sided figure. So this string will change into the perimeter of this hexagon. Perimeter is equal to 30 centimeter, and A perimeter of this regular hexagon in the form of A is 1 2 3 4 5 6 times A. So 6A is equal to 30 centimeter. So A we can keep here and 6 we can shift another side, cancel out, each side we will get here 5 centimeter. Next question number 11. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 225 meter and breadth 115 meter at the rate of 13 rupees per meter. So fencing means we have to find out the perimeter. So length and breadth is given. So first of all we'll find out the perimeter. This is a rectangular figure. So 2L plus B formula we will use here. 2L is 225 and breadth is 115. We'll get 2 into 340, and after multiplication we will get 680 meter. So perimeter of this park is 680 meter. Now we have to find out the cost of fencing. So for 1 meter 13 rupees cost is there. For 680 meter we have to multiply with this. Therefore the cost of fencing is equal to 680 into 13 rupees. Then after multiplication we will get 8,840 rupees. Next question number 12. Meera went to a rectangular park 140 meter long and 90 meter wide. She took 5 complete rounds on its boundary. What is the distance covered by her? So it is a rectangular park and she is taking round on its boundary. It means we have to find out the perimeter. So for 1 round is equal to 1 perimeter, and 5 complete round means 5 times of perimeter. So first we will find out the perimeter. This is a rectangular park, so 2L plus B formula we will use here. 2 length is 140 and breadth is 90. So 2 into 230 we will get, then we will get 460 meter. So 1 perimeter is equal to 460 meter, and she took 5 complete rounds. So how much distance she will cover? Distance covered by her is equal to 5 rounds. 5 into perimeter 460. After multiplication we will get 2300 meter. Next question number 13. Pinky runs 8 times around a rectangular park with length 80 meter and breadth 55 meter, while Pankaj runs 7 times around a square park of side 75 meter. Who covers the distance, more distance, and by how much? So first we will calculate distance covered by Pinky and Pankaj, and then we will compare. So Pinky is taking a round of rectangular park. So first we will find out the perimeter of rectangular park. For pink, length is given 80 meter and breadth is given 55 meter. So perimeter of rectangular park is equal to 2L plus B. So 2L is 80, B is 55. 2 into 135, then we will get here 270 meter. And she is taking 8 rounds. So distance covered by Pinky is equal to 8 into 270. One round is equal to 270 meters. So 8 into 270 is equal to 2160 meter. Now we will calculate for Pankaj also. Each side is given of square. We can take A, it is given 75 meter. So perimeter of square is equal to 4A, means 4 into 75, which is equal to 300 meter. And Pankaj is taking 7 rounds. So distance covered by Pankaj is equal to 7 into 300. We will get here 2100 meters. So you can see who is covering more distance. Pinky is covering more distance. Therefore Pinky covered more distance by how much? She is covering 2160 and he is covering 2100. So the difference between them, she is covering more by 60 meter. Next question number 14. A rectangular park is 104 meter long and 56 meter wide. Anjali walks around it at the rate of 4 km per hour. What time will she take in making 5 rounds of the park? So first we will find out the distance, how much she will cover in 5 rounds. And 1 round is equal to perimeter. Length is given 104 meter. Breadth is given 56 meter. So perimeter we can find out. Because it is a rectangular park, so we'll use formula 2L plus B. 204 plus 56, we will get 2 into 160, and 2 into 160 is equal to 320 meter. So this is the distance covered in 1 round. So we will find out the distance covered in 5 rounds. Is equal to 5 into 320 meter, and 5 into 320 meter is equal to 1600 meter, which we can change into kilometer because the speed is given in kilometer per hour. So we know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, so we can divide it by 1000 and then it will change into kilometer. So we will get here 1.6 kilometer. So in 5 rounds she will cover 1.6 kilometer. Speed is given here 4 kilometer per hour, and distance we have find out 1.6 kilometer. We have to find out the time. Time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 1.6 and time is 4. Speed is 4 kilometer per hour. Now we can cancel out. After cancellation we will get here 0.4 hour, and this you can change into minute also. 1 hour is equal to 60 minute. So we can multiply it by 60. 0.4 into 60, then it will convert into minute. 0.4 into 60, we will get 24 minute. So total she will take 24 minutes to took the 5 rounds. Next question number 15. A wire is in the shape of regular pentagon of side 12 cm. It is rebent into the shape of rectangle whose length is 3 by 2 times of its breadth. Find the length and breadth of the rectangle. So first it is given wire is in the shape of pentagon. Regular pentagon means each side is 12 here. All sides are equal. And this wire first we are making it straight and then we are bending in the form of rectangle. It means the perimeter of this pentagon will be equal to the perimeter of rectangle. So first we will find out the perimeter of pentagon. Will be 5a. 5a means one side, and one side is equal to 12. So 5 into 12, 60 centimeter. Now this 60 centimeter will be the perimeter for rectangle also. But for rectangle condition is given, the length is 3 by 2 times of breadth. So for rectangle, let breadth is equal to x, then length will be 3 by 2 of x. It is given in question, 3 by 2 times of breadth. 3 by 2 times you can write as 1.5x also. So if breadth is x, then length will be 1.5x. So we can find out the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to, this perimeter will be 60 centimeter, and then we can apply formula this side. Perimeter formula is 2l plus b is equal to 60, and length we have taken 1.5x and breadth is x is equal to 60. So 1.5 plus 1, if there is no number means 1 is there. 1.5x plus 1x will become 2.5x is equal to 60, and 2 into 2.5 will become 5. 5x is equal to 60. So x is equal to 60 by 5. You can cancel 12 centimeter. So it means breadth is 12 centimeter and length will be 1.5 into 12. We'll get 180. 15 into 12, 180. So after decimal 0.0 will come, that is not necessary to write, 18 centimeter. So this exercise is completed. Hope you understood all these questions. Thank you for watching this video.